We support the shipyard industry by developing solutions around wiring cable, cable assemblies, and cable management systems. Some critical applications that we target are ship-to-shore power, temporary power, and welding.
Shipyards face a variety of challenges in the environment in which they build. Ships are always going to be built outdoors, so they're exposed to the elements. So our products have to be suited to withstand harsh environments.
And when it comes to the engineering side of that, with the overmolding and the custom design capabilities, that has kept water out, moisture, salt water, corrosion resistance, it's been great for these guys. So in that maritime marine environment, we have a lot of answers to a lot of their problems.
Whether it's for communication or high power, we are able to bond a variety of cables to the connector itself, which is absolutely crucial for the coastal environments where shipyards are located.
For companies that are building ships, safety is a top priority. They want to make sure that the products are suitable for the environment that they're going into, that protect equipment from damage and personnel from harm. Our products are designed specifically so they won't support combustion. They also won't wick a flame from one area into the next. So we want to make sure that the products are built to standards that don't do that.
I would say what sets us apart is our desire to partner. We don't want to just sell a product. I'm looking for answers to help them.
We look for unique applications within a shipyard. So where a customer's having difficulty with a product, and we want to look at that and see how can we help you to prevent that from happening.
It takes them anywhere from 4 hours to 2 days to replace this cable assembly because of what they have to do to replace it. Should our solution work for them, that then drops down to about an hour and a one-man job rather than multiple men. But that's kind of the feedback that we're getting, is that our products are lasting, our products are doing well. It's refreshing to provide a product that does what we say it's going to do.